SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to remove contact photos from messages on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you open the Messages app on your iPhone and you see little circles to the left of your conversations, then these are something called contact photos. If you have a contact photo set for a contact, then you'll see that picture here, or if you don't, then you're just going to see initials of the contacts. Regardless of what's currently visible there, you can elect to turn this setting off. You can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option. You can then scroll down again and find the Show Contact Photos option. Now you can just tap the button to the right of that to turn it off. And now if we go back to the Messages app, you'll see that those circles to the left of the message conversations are no longer there.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.